A stainless gas range with 6 front dials, electronic display and large black glass door. A woman sprays cleaner into the open oven. A thermometer graphic and padlock display in front of the oven, installed in a kitchen with spiderweb graphic tile and gray cabinets with white countertops.
How to unlock an LG oven. If you have used the self-clean or easy clean cycles on your LG range, the oven door will remain locked until the unit's internal temperature returns to a safe level, after which it will unlock automatically.
The temperature in thermometer rises and the padlock opens.
You should not try to open the oven door until the unit has cooled down and the lock symbol has disappeared from the display, or the words lockout are no longer on the display.
A hand tries to open the oven. A red line and circle appears over the hand.
However, if the oven has cooled, the lock symbol or lockout are no longer on the display, but the door still remains locked. You may need to manually disengage the lock.
A hand pushes buttons on the control panel.
To manually disengage the oven lock, press and hold the clear/off key for 3 seconds.
A circle surrounds the clear/off button.
Please note that the lock feature key varies from model to model. On some models, it is the clear/off key, and on others, it is the lower oven key. We advise checking your product owner's manual for the specific key.
2 pages of owner's manual for LG gas range.
If the stuck locking issue persists, then your oven may require a repair service. Please go to our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced in whole or in part without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022, LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names and marks are the property of their respective owners.